See children, so the next one, it's a time to listen. What can we listen here? Your teacher will read out the rhyming words from the lesson. So here some words we have given. So from rhyming words these are. From the lesson we got some of the words. And listen to them carefully. Color the bricks which have the words from the lesson with the same color. So here rhyming words. Some words only from the lesson. So what are the words from the lesson? What are the words from the lesson? That you should give the color. Okay. So just a circle I am giving. You should give the some light color. You take it and color it. What are those? First one, see, accident, incident. Accident, incident. What do we have in the lesson? An incident happened one day, inspector came, an incident happened in the life of Gandhi, right? So accident we have or incident? Incident. So color it. Incident, color it. Okay. And vanish, diminish. Yes, diminish. Vanish, diminish. So in this lesson we got diminish word. And next one, light, bright. Yes, fill the light in the life of people. So then light we have. Light, bright. For this we have light in the lesson, not bright. Next one, nation, education. Yes, he is the father of nation. So nation we have. Nation we have. And next one, pleader, leader. Pleader, leader. Very good. Leader, leader. Right. So what are the words we have? Incident, diminish, light, nation and leader. These words only we have in our lesson, from this lesson. All you know, but from this lesson we got these words. Okay children. So color these 5 words and then next topic we can see. See children, so we have completed the lesson and question answers and all these grammar topics, some of the topics in the lesson, truth and the truthfulness. Now, grammar part point of view, comprehension part we have completed. Grammar part point of view, we have it's a time to learn. What can we learn from this lesson? We can learn mainly adverbs. We can learn mainly adverbs. So, what are these adverbs? What are these adverbs? Adverbs are modify, or tell us, modify or tell us more about, tell us more about other words, especially verb. More about the verb, adding something to the verb. It modifies another, it modifies a verb and another adverb also. How is it? Suppose see the example. The bus moved slowly. The bus moved slowly. How the bus moved? Slowly. Manner. Adverbs of manner we call it. So how is it? Slowly. That we should write it. That is slowly is the adverb here. Slowly is the adverb here. And so here the bears ate. The bears ate greedily. The bears ate greedily. So here how were they eat? They eat greedily, right? That's why greedily is also adverb. What can you find? One clue word you can find it now. Yes, very good. ly. Word ended with ly. So mostly those are adverbs only. Word ended with ly. Suffix we have ly. Those are maximum adverbs only. So write see some more examples. You look absolutely fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. So how do you look? Absolutely fabulous. So how do you look? Fabulous. How much? Absolutely, absolutely fabulous. So here also absolutely adverb only. So that is it modify the another adverb. So that we can write it adverb. And see the one more example. She played the violin. She played the violin. She played the violin extremely. She played the violin extremely well. Extremely well. How did she play it? Extremely well. So well and how much means extreme. Both are adverbs only. So this adverb is modifying this one also. How much? So that we call it extremely is adverb. Okay children. So like this we have. You are speaking too quietly. You are speaking too quietly. How are you speaking? Quietly. Too quietly. Both are adverbs. It modifies this one. So this modifies this one. So that's why quietly is the adverb here. Okay children. Slowly, greedily, absolutely, extremely, quietly. All are ly. Word ended with ly. All these are adverbs. So these are modifying another adverb and these are telling about the other words. So that's why we should take these are adverbs. Okay children. So which modify or tell us about other words or verbs or another adverb, that we call it adverb. Okay children. So see this and write down, and I'll give some examples on this. You can understand more easily. See children, so this is pick out the adverbs from the following sentences that they have given. So now I am writing these sentences. So one by one you tell me the adverbs from this. So see the first one, what do we have? The boys. First one, the boys worked slowly. The boys worked slowly. So how are they working? Slowly. So what is the adverb in this sentence? Very good. Slowly. Write the answer like this. Okay. And see the second one. See the second one, what do we have? She was sleeping. She was sleeping soundly. How was she sleeping? Soundly. So answer, what do we have? Very good. Soundly. So adverb is soundly. Write that one. So she was sleeping soundly. How was she sleeping? Soundly. That is adverb in this sentence. And see the third one, what do we have? How did his work? He did his work well. He did his work well. So how did he do the work? Well. So answer is well. So what is this well? Adverb. How did he do the work? Well. So that is adverb. And so it's simple. Did you understand how? If you make the question with how, whatever the answer we are getting, that is adverb only. And they finished their work quickly. They finished their work quickly. They finished their work quickly. How did they finish their work? Very good. Quickly. So then answer quickly. How did they finish their work? Quickly. Okay children. And see the next one, what do we have? So here these underlined words you may confuse. That's why I am rubbing all these underlines. So the answers what we write on the in the blanks, those are our answers ma. Okay, so for your understanding I underline, but I am rubbing this one. Don't confuse this. Whatever the adverbs you are writing there again. Okay, ma? And see the fifth one, what do we have? The soldiers fought bravely. What is that? The soldiers, spelling S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S. The soldiers fought bravely. How did they fight? Bravely. So what is the adverb here? Very good. Bravely. B-R-A-V-E-L-Y. So how did they fight? Bravely. And see the last one. Rani reads clearly. What is that? Rani reads clearly. Rani reads clearly. So how did she write? Clearly. So answer, what is the adverb here? Clearly. What is the adverb here? Clearly. So Rani reads clearly. How did she read? So how does she read? Clearly. So the boys worked slowly. The boys worked slowly. How did they work? Slowly. So then slowly is the adverb. She was sleeping soundly. How was she sleeping? Soundly. So then what is the adverb? Soundly. He did his work well. How did he do the work? Well. So adverb is well. They finished their work quickly. How did they finish their work? Quickly. So answer is quickly, adverb. The soldiers fought bravely. How did they fight? How did the soldiers fight? Bravely. So what is the adverb? Bravely. Rani reads clearly. How does Rani read? Yes, clearly. How does she read? Clearly. So adverb is clearly. Understood, children? All if you see yes, ly words or else how. Question with how or ly words, maximum those are adverbs only. Okay, children, write these answers. See, children, so the next one, what do we have? It's a time to watch. So what can you watch? Name any three of the nation leaders in the picture given below. So here see the picture. So in that picture, yes, you have in the picture you have so many nation leaders. So at least to find three members. At least to find three members. So see the picture, tell me easily you can find it. Yes, first one about the lesson. Who is here? Gandhi. So we can write Mahatma Gandhi or Gandhiji. Right? In the picture, if you see first person, you can find Gandhiji. And next one, yes, the cap. With that you can find who is he? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Second pick we have another one person we can find Jawaharlal Nehru. And third person, can you find? Very good. Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, we say. Vallabhbhai Patel. So main three members we can find from this picture, that Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel. So name any three of the nation leaders in the picture given below. So the picture, if you say, to whom can you find it easily? Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, children. So write these three names. If anyone you find, those also you can write. Okay, children. First write these three. See, children. So the next topic we have, it's a time to speak. What can you speak here? Yes, if you see, practice the following sentences. Here they have given practice the following sentence. What can you practice here? Yes, afraid, scared. Both are same sentence. Na? Same maximum we use it. Afraid, scared of something, right? So general sentences these are on using the afraid or scared. So do you get scared easily? Yes, I get scared of so many things. Do you get scared easily? Yes. So do you get scared watching horror movies? Yes, seeing the horror movies, do you scare or not? Yes, we're scared of watching horror movies. And are you afraid of the darkness? Yes, in the darkness, alone in a room, can you stay? We can't, right? So, are you afraid of the darkness? And what was the most terrifying experience you ever had? What was the most terrifying? That is also feel afraid, scared of something. So what was the most terrifying experience you ever had? Oh, so many are there. Yes, only alone at home, midnight, you got up. This one. Okay. So, do you get scared when you are at home by yourself? Yes, did you get scared when you are at home by yourself? Suddenly you lost the power and by seeing your shade only, right? You scared of yourself. Yes. And what do you do when you feel scared? So if you feel scared, what do you do? Think about it. First you scared and later, yes, nothing is happened. Be cool. Like that, do you say yourself? No, you cry out. Oh, okay, but should not cry for anything. Very good. You call your mother. Very good. If no one there, okay, if your mother is there, you call it. If no one there, what will you do? That you think it. What are you doing? Okay, so these are the words afraid, scared, terrified. Almost we are using in the same kind of sentences. Okay, children. So in the general sentences, how we use all these, we have in this. Okay, children. So will you practice this? Just practice the sentences how we are using for the afraid and terrified or scared. Okay, children, practice those. See, children, so the next one we have, it's a time to write. What can you write here? The initial letters of the following pictures will tell you the name of the nation leader. The initial letters of the following pictures will tell you the name of the leader. So here, if you see some pictures are there. So these will tell, first letter if you write, these will tell you the name of the nation leader. What are those? Shall we find it? See the first picture, what do we have? First picture, grapes. First picture we have grapes. So write the grapes, first letter, what do we have? Yes, very good. G. So under the grapes you write G. Under the grapes you write G. And don't write total word. Only first letter of that picture you should write. That picture is grapes. So then we should write G. And next one what do we have? Aeroplane. Aeroplane. So what is the first letter for aeroplane? A. So under the aeroplane you write A only. A only, A letter. And next one here what do we have? Net. Net is there. So net first letter N. So under the net write only N. And next one what do we have? Yes, drums. Drums. So then under that what we should write? First letter D. D. And next one, yes, hat. Hat. So first letter for hat H. Write that one. And next one is ice cream. Right? So very yummy ice cream. But first letter for ice cream, I. So now find all the letters of the first word, first letter of each word. Total you see what did you get? G, A, N, D, H, I. What is this? Who is this nation leader? What is this name? Very good. Gandhi. G-A-N-D-H-I. Gandhi. Right, children? From the different objects we got the name of freedom fighter. Very good. So write this one. Gandhi. See, children. So the last topic in this lesson, truth and truthfulness, that is time to do. We have, it's a time to do. What can we do? Yes, favorite part, that is your project work. Yes, join the dots to name the person. Join the dots to name the person. So here one person picture they have given. If you join the dots, you get a complete outline of that person picture. Easily you can find. Yes, now also you can find. Very good. Gandhi only. So, but join this and write properly. So, from the 1 to 32 numbers you have, join all these dots according to the number. You will get a proper outline of this picture and name that person, either Gandhi or Jawaharlal Nehru, whatever, whoever it is. Yes, name this person. First join the dots. Okay, children, you did it. Very easy and simple topic now. Do it all of you.